So guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening sa lahat na nanonood ngayon. You are on CKC K-Notes. So for today, I am with the newlywed Mr. and Mrs. Savandal. So say hi po sa ating camera.
Hi!
So, yung sermon kanina was all about the parable of the 10 virgins or yung 10 dalaga. So, katulad sabi kanina, may 5 matatalino at may 5 hangal. So, yung bridegroom o yung ikakasal, na-delay siya. And yung 10 dalaga ay nakatulog, they were drowsy, pero yung 5 sa kanila, yung ready lang, yung nakahanda lang. So, for our first question, when life delays your hopes, do you still stay faithful?
Thank you for that wonderful question. For me, it's really hard to stay faithful when what you have wanted for so long, hindi pa rin maibigay sa'yo. But yes, in all my years, I have been faithful, no? Talagang marami akong hiningi or pinagdasal sa Panginoon na it took a long time before dumating. But I trusted the Lord na ibibigay din niya ang aking mga kahilingan according to His will and purpose. I think what is more important is rather than asking me the question na do I still remain faithful, ang question dapat, if medyo matagal nang dumating yung ipinagdadasal mo sa Panginoon, is how do you remain faithful, no? Kasi yun ang sabi kanina sa sermon, no, we can look like we are faithful, we can parang mukhang naghihintay tayo, but God will expose us if we are not truly waiting. Hindi talaga tayo talagang naghihintay with a purpose. So number 1, how do you remain faithful? No? Una, lagi tayong magdasal. No? Lagi nating ipagdasal. Number 2, sabi doon sa sermon, we have to keep watch. Palagi tayong mananatiling nagbabantay. No? Yung mga ating kahilingan, yung ating mga pinagdadasal, yung ating mga hopes, if we just keep on watching, expectantly waiting, siguro mas madali para sa atin na manatiling faithful.
Maraming salamat po sa sagot nyo. So, totoo nga, no, yung sermon kanina, na ni-reveal din, no, yung 5 imposters na yun, yung 5 hangal. So, thank you for your wonderful answer. So, for our second question, oil represents spiritual readiness, faith, obedience, character, and intimacy with God. So, sa inyong palagay, ano ang oil sa buhay mo ngayon? And are you storing enough oil?
Sa akin, no, oil is for me, oil is represent my faith. So, ang oil ba, 'di ba? Kapag kahinayaan natin siya, kapag lumamig siya, matutulog. So, kapag ang oil remains hot, no? Kapag talagang yung oil is pinainit mo, pinaalab mo, no? Yung oil is remains flow, no? Yung thickness niya, yung fluidity niya is remain oil din talaga, no? Hindi siya matutulog, kagaya ng pananampalataya natin, no? Kapag talagang naghihintay tayo ng wala tayong ginagawa or naghihintay tayo ng with purpose tapos wala tayong ginagawa, yung faith natin matutulog, no? Kapag naghihintay tayo and meron tayong pagkilos para sa Panginoon, yung fluidity ng pananampalataya natin, no, magko-constant siya, no? So, talagang mananatili siyang oil.
So, yun lamang po. Maraming salamat po sa nanonood ngayon. So, see you on our next video or on our next episode. Maraming salamat po!